தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கும் ஐஎஸ் இன்பதுரை எனும் நான் சட்டத்தினால் நிறுவப்பட்டதான இந்திய அரசியல் சட்டத்தின் மீது உண்மையான பற்றார்வமும் பற்றுறுதியும் கொண்டிருப்பேன் என்றும் இந்தியாவின் இறையாண்மையும் ஒருமைப்பாட்டையும் உறுதியாக பற்றி நிற்பேன் என்றும் நான் இப்பொழுது ஏற்கவிருக்கும் இந்த கடமையினை நேர்மையாக நிறைவேற்றுவேன் என்றும் கடவுளின் பெயரால் ஆணையிட்டு கூறுகிறேன்.
Welcome and welcome. Thank you. Papers to be laid on the table. Sripad Yeso Naik.
I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper mentioned against my name at serial number 2A of today's list of business.
Dr. L. Murugan.
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2, Class B, in today's list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Parliament Affairs.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, Srimati Geeta Urf Chandraprabha.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख यथा सूचीबद्ध ग्रामीण विकास एवं पंचायती राज स्थायी समिति की 14वां प्रतिवेदन अंग्रेजी व हिंदी में सभापटल पर रखती हूँ.
Announcement. Honorable members, it has been observed that some members are giving physical notices under various parliamentary devices, including raising a matter under 0 hour. In this regard, attention is invited to direction number 56 imparted by the chair, wherein it has been directed that, I quote, under Rule 223 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States, Rajya Sabha, submission of physical notices are discontinued forthwith. Hence, members can submit all notices required by the rules, including short notice question, half an hour discussion and notice for question to private member, and also notices for raising matters with the permission of the chair, 0 hour submission through the digital Sansad portal only, unquote. The aforementioned direction of the chair has also been published in Rajya Sabha Parliamentary Bulletin Part 2 dated 12th June 2024. Further, Rajya Sabha Parliamentary Bulletin Part 2 number 65481 dated 3rd July 2025 has also categorically reiterated about the mandatory filing of notices through digital Sansad portal only. It inter alia states as follows, quote, members are informed that the facility of online submission of notice available on digital Sansad portal. Using this portal, members may submit notices for various parliamentary devices in electronic form. Members are requested to submit the notices required by the rules only through the digital Sansad portal, unquote. Accordingly, honorable members are again requested to refrain from submitting their notices through physical mode and submit their notices under various parliamentary devices, including raising a matter under 0 hour through digital Sansad portal only. Those members who have already submitted notices through digital Sansad portal may not resubmit any physical copy of their notices to the chair. It has been, normally will follow the rules. Honorable members, 26 notices have been received under Rule 267. The notices of Sri Muhammad Nadimul Haq, Sri Sandeep Kumar Pathak, Srimati Ranjit Ranjan, Sri Neeraj Dangi, Sri Anil Kumar Yadav Mandadi, Srimati Rajni Ashok Rao Patil, Sri Akhilesh Prasad Singh, Sri Rajiv Shukl, Sri Ajit Kumar Bhuyan, Sri Tiruchi Siva, Sri Saket Gokhale, Sri Ramji Lal Suman, Susri Susmita Dev, Srimati Renuka Chaudhary have demanded discussion over the concerns arising out of a special intensive revision of electoral rolls undertaken by the Election Commission in Bihar. The notices of Srimati Sagarika Ghosh, Sri Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, Susri Dola Sen and Sri Rita Brata Banerjee have demanded discussion over the alleged discrimination against Bengali migrant workers in other states. The notices of Sri A. Rahim, Sri Sandosh Kumar P., Dr. John Britas, Dr. V. Sivadasan, Sri Harish Biran, Srimati J.B. Mather Hisam, and Sri P.P. Sunir have demanded discussion over the alleged unjust arrest of 2 nuns in Chhattisgarh. The notice of Sri Sanjay Singh has demanded discussion over the violation of the right to education due to large-scale merger and closure of government schools in Uttar Pradesh. Since these notices do not conform to the detailed directives imparted by the chair on why I am explaining the reason imparted by the chair on 8/12/2022 and 19/12/2022, the same are declined. The same are declined. Please go back to your seats. Matters raised with permission, Srimati Sudha Murthy. Srimati Sudha Murthy.
Thank you, sir, for giving me
go back to your
permission
seats.
to talk about education, particularly in Anganwadi.
आंगनवाड़ी का महत्वपूर्ण विषय सुधा जी बता रही है. 0 आवर्स मेंबर्स का आवर है. प्लीज
Or going to continue?
प्लीज
Swamin is the
0 आवर क्वेश्चन आवर मेंबर्स आवर.
Please.